Hello, I'm Bryce Milan. With Opulent Philanthropy Incorporated, a non-profit organization providing disaster relief to families affected by the wildfires that tore through Washington state. We have helped provide more than 400,000 meals, along with clean water, emergency shelter, and care packages filled with essential supplies for families facing disasters. Many homes were destroyed throughout Washington. Video from Washington shows homes and cars burned to the ground, leaving many families homeless. Here's how your donation helps. $25 provides a care package with essential supplies for a family. $50 provides emergency food and clean water. $250 provides temporary shelter for a displaced family. $500 provides emergency shelter, food, clean water, hygiene supplies, and essential relief for multiple families. $1,000 provides long-term food and housing assistance. Many employers offer matching gift programs that can double your charitable donations at no additional cost to you. To make a donation, please scan the QR code with your phone or visit www.opulentusa.org/Washington. You can also find Opulent Philanthropy Nonprofit on GoFundMe, Your Cause, and Groundswell. Thank you for your generosity. I'm Bryce Milan.